Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, ScooterATVSales.com, Scooter City ATV outlet here in Reno, Nevada. A quick walkthrough the showroom service area. We do have a couple of new kids ATVs in for service, coming in for their break-in service, 10-hour service. Once you buy them brand new, they do require a complete gone through at about approximately 10 hours. So this is a 125D, and this is actually a 110D. This is part of the metal crates that the ATVs do come in. This was a go-kart that came in, a large 200cc go-kart. So we're going to walk through the service area, and right now we have our lead tech, Adam. He is doing a full assembly safety check on one of the youth and kids ATV. This is actually the TForce. So he's wrapping it up, buttoning it up. He's about 3/4 done. Still has some additional safety checks to do on the safety features, which is the lanyard, remote system, parking brake, and also the speed limiter. So again, on the TForce, just like the beginner models, the lanyard is connected here. This is connected to either your waistband or to your wrist, and that gets pulled. It's similar to a jet ski, and that will kill the engine. Then you have a parking brake feature right here. This is the speed limiter nut right here that's adjusted. And of course you have the remote system. The remote system is held in your hand. This is the remote system right here. So you can start it and stop it up to approximately 200 feet. This is a burgundy color from TaoTao. And it's the TForce 125cc. The lights that you see in the front, they do function. Front and rear rack. It does have a rear brake light as well. Disc brakes in the back, solid rear axle. The shifter for this, it's fully automatic. Right now it's in its neutral position. Right here, you move it forward, you hear a click, and that's into drive. And then of course, it does have the reverse feature as well. This is 4-stroke, fully automatic ATV. We're going to take a walk into the showroom. We just had some new vehicles arrive as well. Of course, we have the beginner Boulder in stock. We do have the 125Ds here. We have Spider, tree camo, solid blue. We have the TForce in tree camo, burgundy again, Spider. And we're going to take a walk to the Blazer. This is a Apollo vehicle. It's called the Blazer 9. And this is a fully automatic. All our vehicles are fully automatic. Beginner ATVs, trail riders, leisure riders. Again, we have the Blazer 9 by Apollo. Then we have a lineup of Cheetahs over here. So we got the Kawasaki green. We got the orange, very similar to the KTM vehicles here. Nice Skittle colors here. And then we'll walk over to our ATM City Riders. We sell a lot of these. These are a single-seater moped scooter, 49cc. We got various colors as you see in stock. And we have oils in stock as well. We got chain lube, gear oil, goggles, covers. We're going to take a walk to the front of the store. This is the Boulders, 110 is again. We have some more Blazer 9s in yellow and red. Then we have our dirt bike lineup. Our dirt bike lineup is the TaoTao DB27. We have that available. We have the Apollo X16. This is a fully automatic, single speed, 4-stroke, kickstart dirt bike. So perfect for those that just want to ride and not shift at all or care about shifting. And we have the DB17 from TaoTao. We have this for $849 right now. This is on sale. Again, all our vehicles are fully assembled, safety checked, tested, and tuned, ready to go with a free extended dealer warranty. This is the X18. We have this for $1,099 right now. This is a really nice bike. It's on the coattails of a Honda, this particular model. Great beginner bike. Again, this is a kickstart, 4-stroke. All the dirt bikes are 4-stroke that we carry. Again, Scooter ATV Wholesale Outlet, Scooter ATV Outlet. So come on down and check us out. We're at 920 Matley Lane in Reno, number 6. We're right off of Mill Street by the GSR. Number here is 775-856-3398, 775-856-3398. If you are out of the area, then shop on our website at scooteratVsales.com. Those vehicles, any shopping done online and orders done online out of the area, they will be shipped crated, assembly required to your location. Free shipping to most locations, assembly required. So you will find somebody to do the assembly for you. So in addition, we do have a lot of fast parts in stock. So if you're a scooter owner, we do have a lineup of belts over here. This is probably one of our more popular belts, the 669-1830 that fits the majority of Chinese scooters. And of course, we have other belt sizes for other types of vehicles, as you can see. We do have a large belt drive for an 800cc, side by side, this one right here. So we got throttle cables, brake cables, speedo cables, a lot of fast parts in stock. We got small tires for your smaller vehicles. We do have a lot of batteries in stock and inner tubes in stock. We have inner tubes, Kenda, we have V-rubber style for scooters, dirt bikes, and ATVs. And these are our lineup of Bike Master batteries. We got the True Gel Bike Master, which is the best battery on the market for cold starts, summertime use. Bike Master is a top-notch battery, so definitely an improvement from any of the Chinese batteries that do come with these vehicles. So stop by and see us. We're again 920 Matley Lane in Reno. We do service and repair all Chinese brand ATV, scooters, go-karts, off-road buggies. Service and repair. We do have fast parts in stock. 920 Matley Lane, number 6. Number here is 775-856-3398. If you're out of the area, shop on our website, scooteratVsales.com. If you need Chinese parts, you can shop on scooteratVparts.com. scooteratVparts.com, where we do have free shipping. We'll see you guys soon.